Batteries to power. Turbines to speed.
Okay.
And away we go. Come on, Robin. And there's Iron Man. All right, so
Holy R8 Batman.
So today we're out doing our thing. We have this 2006 Ferrari F430 Coupe, and behind us is a 2009 Audi R8. Two fantastic cars. You know, we talk about cars that have everything you're ever going to want in a supercar with not supercar prices. Both these cars are these cars. You bought these cars new, you paid $160,000, $170,000 for these cars. This one we're asking $100,000, that one we're asking $85,000. These are low mileage examples. Both these cars are in immaculate condition, clean Carfaxes, everything services up to date, clutches, tires, you name it, it's been done. So we're gonna try to squeeze into traffic so we can both go at the same time. But you know, good old Norbeck and Friday afternoon traffic. They won't even stop for Batman and Iron Man. I mean, what the? So, but cars are great. I mean, I love cars. You know, Colin, Scott, we all do. This is what we do. Exotic cars. You know, we do quite a few exotic cars, but we're mostly a classic dealer. So you just gotta love that noise. Tires are a little cold. We'll have to warm them up a little bit, but that's okay. So,
Holy thrust, Batman.
Yeah, really. Better call Commissioner Gordon and let him know.
Hey, look, Scott kept up.
Iron Man kept up with us. So, cars are great. Paddle shift, automatic in a sense, but it is actually a dual clutch. The car can be driven in an automatic mode, so you don't have to play with the paddles, but you get better control of the car. And then we have our push button start, and then we can change out the way we want the car to handle. We're in sport mode right now. We can go to race mode. We can put it in launch control, take the traction off. We can put it in bad weather, which fortunately we're not having any of right now. You know, Ferrari designed these cars and they were a big hit. We went from the 360 to this car. They made very few changes, but the changes they made were enough that these are almost an everyday car. I don't see where you couldn't drive it every day. I mean, this car's got almost 30,000 miles on it, and it is still like new. Same thing with the Audi. The Audi is an everyday car. It's an all-wheel drive sports car. It's a super sports car that you can drive that car in any kind of weather. It's grippy, it's fun, just like this car. But that car, you can't get it too squirrely. This car, I get this puppy sideways if I get on it, but we'll keep it calm.
All right, Rich, and away we go.
Woo! I mean, supercar. I mean, you felt the acceleration. It wasn't too harsh, but it gets up there quick. And that's why you buy these cars. You don't just buy because they're an amazing sports car. You buy them because they go fast and quickly.
And that sound.
And the sound. I mean, you just, how do you not love the sound of a Ferrari, the exhaust? Wow. You know, nothing like a great sunny Friday for a drive. So we're going down Wooten Parkway to our spot where Cars by Colin will be doing his spin car for Flemings Ultimate Garage. Wooten Parkway is a nice little road. It's got a couple little twists in it. The biggest twists are the 6 state troopers that are normally waiting for us beyond the next traffic light. So that was the other day.
Yeah, luckily we had a little recon first before we went out there.
Nothing like having a nice motorist flashing his high beams at us to let us know something is amiss.
Yeah.
But again, so let's get back to the car. This car's got everything you want. This is actually, I don't want to say it's a rare car because it's not a rare car. What it is though, is a car that's got heated seats, which in these Ferraris, you typically didn't have a heated seat because its cars were never really driven in the winter months. So, I don't know who's trying to call me.
You're busy.
I am a busy man. Hold on. Hello, Superman? Yeah, sorry. Yeah, okay. Tell Lois Lane I'll see her later. Bye-bye. Okay, So, but you know, great cars, superb cars. You know, we guarantee our cars. You know, we go through and we certify them. We put warranties on them, on most of them. This is it. This is a car. I can't really say much about the car that people don't know. You know, electronically, it's not an overly electronic car. It doesn't have touchscreen, doesn't have navigation, it doesn't have this, that, you know, it's got Bluetooth, it's got a CD player. What do you need it for when you hear this? That's all the radio I need. Okay, they're stopping to see us go by. Thank you.
Thank you.
They know Star Power when they see it. I'd stop and give autographs, but I'm a little busy right now.
Maybe Iron Man behind us will do it.
Nah.
He's busy too.
He's busy too.
He's gotta go find Pepper.
Pepper's waiting for him.
Miss Potts, I'm sorry. Miss Potts.
It's Pepper now. We're beyond the Miss Potts. Oh well. So here we are. We're going to go to do our little spin car, and then I'm going to try to give you guys a video of what a car like this can really do. A 30,000 mile car. I'm not talking about a new car. So this car has been used and it's not been abused, but this car drives just like it's still brand new. So we'll be back with you in 2 and 2.